God! It's Bigfoot!
It's marking my territory.
Oh, it's not Bigfoot, it's just Dan.
What's the difference?
What's got you all in a fuss?
Goddamn bear in the woods. Had to mark my territory. I'm cold. I need something warm to drink.
Alright, come up. Hey everyone, it's Molly. Today we're making old-fashioned cocoa, and today Dan and I are actually in a cabin outside the Mount Rainier National Park, the Nisqually Gate, I want to say. I'm not sure. But anyway, so I thought some cocoa would be a nice addition because there's a little bit of snow on the ground. So I will put the recipe for you down below in the description box so you'll have it. And we're going to have to improvise a little bit because I forgot to bring measuring cups. So let's just see what we can come up with. Okay. So we need 2 cups of boiling water. And I have to use an actual cup for this. It says a few grains of salt, so I'm just going to do a little shaky. And again, a tablespoon, 3 tablespoons of cocoa. And I don't know if this place has a whisk, so we'll see how I can get this combined. And then 1/4 cup of sugar. I did bring a measuring spoon for that. All right. I found a whisk. Okay, so let's just whisk this together. And I know I'm using a metal utensil on a non-stick surface, and I apologize for that. Okay, the next thing we want to do is we want to scald 2 cups of milk, so let's go do that. Okay, so we need 2 cups of scalded milk. So I got that going in another burner. Dan and I are here with friends, so this looks like it's going to make plenty of cocoa for all of us. Okay. Okay, so we'll have to get everybody's, where the heck? Alright, so we'll have to get everybody's opinion on how these turned out. Okay, so our milk is nice and hot, so I'm going to turn off the heat. And I'm going to add it to the chocolate. Okay. Now it says to beat with a Dover beater, and I think that's one of those egg style beaters that have the little, you would go like this. I don't have one of those, so I'm just going to whisk it. I got my whisk. We're just going to whisk that. We're going to make sure this is nice and hot, and then we'll top it with either whipped cream or marshmallows, and we'll see how it tastes. So this is basically done. Just get it hot. Okay, I'll see you guys when this is done. Oh, I'm standing in the way. Alright, so Dan and I are here with our friends Paul, Patrick, and Patrick's wife Sarah Beth, and their baby Scarlett are in the other room. But we're going to taste test this. We topped it with mini marshmallows, but it says you can put whipped cream on top. You like it?
Tastes like hot chocolate. I'm kind of curious what they were depressed about.
Oh.
It's actually pretty good.
I think it needs a little more chocolate.
I know. I think it's just fine.
It's a pretty simple recipe.
You could do a little bit more chocolate without overpowering it.
Yeah.
But
it only has 3 tablespoons. And of course I had to eyeball it because I don't have actual measuring cups here, or spoons here, but...
So when did this recipe come from, Molly?
This
And
recipe
where did it come from?
comes from the Household Searchlight Recipe Book. This is from 1937.
is that for summoning demons?
Demon recipes.
Demon delicious.
Fair.
So apparently, you guys think this is pretty good? I think it needs more chocolate.
I mean, it could
I think you have an addiction.
It could go with more chocolate, but it tastes like, store-bought chocolate milk.
Like cocoa mix.
Yeah.
Yeah, it does taste just like cocoa mix. There's only a 1/4 cup of sugar in this whole amount. It's 2 cups of water, 2 cups of milk, 1/4 cup of sugar, 3 tablespoons of cocoa, and it says few grains of salt. So So I just kind of sprinkled some salt in there. There you go.
Cheers. You can add
Yeah,
some champagne
tastes
to it.
Thank you.
Yeah. Cheers to the cabin in the woods.
The Dan Squatch.
You and your intros.
People like them. I get comments. People like them. Well, there you go. Hot chocolate.
Thank you, Molly.
Yeah, you're welcome. If you guys like this video and you want to see more vintage recipes, then please like and subscribe. Dan and I upload new videos every weekend, and
Bye, everybody.
Bye. Pasta.
bye.